Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect React with Twitch, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect React with Twitch, start by creating a new React application using Create React App. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myTwitch app. Navigate to your project directory with cd myTwitch app. Next, install the Axios library for making API requests. Run the command npm install Axios. Now, create a new component for handling Twitch API interactions. In the src folder, create a new file named twitchapi.js. Open twitchapi.js and import the necessary libraries. Begin by importing React and Axios at the top of the file. Define a functional component called twitchapi. Inside the component, use the useState hook to manage your Twitch data. Initialize state for storing the Twitch stream data and any loading indicators. Create a function that fetches data from the Twitch API. Inside this function, use Axios to perform a GET request to the Twitch API endpoint. Make sure to include your client ID and access token in the request headers. Handle the response to update the state with the fetched data. Return JSX that renders the Twitch data when it is successfully loaded. In the main app.js file, import the Twitch API component. Replace the default rendering with the Twitch API component. Now, you need to set up your Twitch developer account. Go to the Twitch developer console and create a new application. Take note of your client ID and client secret for later use. Generate an OAuth token using the Twitch API by making a request to the authorization endpoint. Implement the logic to refresh your access token if necessary. Back in your twitchapi.js file, ensure you handle any potential errors during API calls. Test your application by running npm start in the terminal. Your React app should now be properly connected to the Twitch API. Check the console for any errors or debugging information if the data does not display as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.